Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph English Medium School's grammar class of standard 6. Today I am going to teach you the first lesson, the sentence. In 5th standard you studied about sentence. Today I am going to teach you. Okay, first, what is a sentence? These group of words not make any sense, so they are not called sentence. So now we reorganize them to make a complete sense. Now this group of words makes sense. So we can conclude that a sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order to make complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order to make complete sense. Examples. First one, I saw a joker in a circus. Second, what is your name? Third, what a beautiful picture it is. So these are the examples. So each of these sentences begin with the capital letter I-W. Then each of these sentences has a verb, saw, is and is. And each of these sentences ends with the full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Okay. Then next, types of sentences. Second, types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. First one, assertive or declarative. Sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. So here first one, assertive or declarative sentence. Let's say examples are, he is my friend. You are not honest. assertive sentence states something and it ends with the full stop. An assertive sentence can be two, positive sentence and negative sentence. Positive sentence example, he is my friend. Positive sentence. Then you are not honest. To make negative sentence, we add not after the helping verb. So you are not honest is the negative sentence. So assertive sentence can be two types. Positive, it can be positive or negative. Next, second, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with the question mark. Okay. So interrogative sentences are two types. First one, WH question. Second, yes or no question. What is WH question? If the question or the sentence begin with WH words such as who, what, where, why, etc. Okay. So the sentence begin with WH question word is said to be WH questions. For example, who is standing there? Who is standing there? Okay. And the second one, yes or no question. The sentence begins with a helping word such as is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, then should, would, can, may, could, might, etc. So yes or no questions begin with the helping verb is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, should, would, can, may, could, might, do, does, did, etc. Okay. So the example of yes or no question is, are you going to school today? Are you going to school today? Question mark. Okay. So interrogative sentences are of two types. First one, WH question and yes or no question. Okay. And then imperative sentence. Imperative sentences expresses advice, order and makes request also. Okay. So it's a end with the exclamation mark. Okay. So then imperative sentence example, complete your work on time. First one. Second, do not waste your time. And third one, do some exercises daily. And fourth one, please come to my birthday party. So, imperative sentences begins with the main verb, present tense. Okay. In imperative sentence, the subject is not mentioned but implies. Okay. Understood. Okay. So, it begins with the present tense, main verb, and ends with the full stop. It expresses an advice, an order or command, and or makes request. Okay. So first, complete your work on time. Okay. Then second one, do not waste your time. Here in imperative, negative imperative, it start with do not. Negative imperative sentence start with do not. Do not waste your time. So then do some exercise daily. Advice. Do some exercises daily, the advice. And please come to my birthday party. It makes the request. Okay. So imperative sentences begin with present tense, ends with the full stop. Negative imperative sentences begin with don't. Okay. And then fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences expresses strong, sudden or strong feelings of joy, sorrow, and example of first one, exclamatory sentences. Bravo, we won the match. Feelings of joy. And then second one, alas, I fell down from the stairs. Feeling of sorrow. And then how cute the kitten is. How cute the kitten is. So this is surprise. So exclamatory sentences expresses the feeling of joy, sorrow, and surprise, and ends with the exclamation mark. Okay. So the feeling of joy is bravo, we won the match. And then alas, I fell down from the stairs, sorrow, feeling of sorrow. And how cute the kitten is, the feeling of surprise. Okay. We can, yeah. Okay. Next in the class we see the parts of a sentence and clauses and phrases. Thank you.